time for our math warm-up. Hey everybody, it is time for our math warm-up. All right, let's start with just by telling how many more do I need to get to 10? All right, so how many did you see first? You saw 6, okay. So if we know that there's 6, how many more to get to that 10? What's the partner of 6 to make 10? All right, did you get 4 there? Way to go. All right, now I'm going to ask you, how many total are there on this Reckon Rack? Take a look. Hope that wasn't too much moving for you. What'd you see on top? What'd you see on bottom? Okay, let's take a look. Oh, look at you. A lot of you saw that group as 5, plus that 1 to make 6, plus 4 more to make 10. Way to go. And that one relates to the one that we did just before it. Okay, ready? You're right. 4 and 6 plus 1 more, that did make 11. Because if 4 plus 6 is 10, 4 plus 7 would be 11. Okay, here we go. A lot of you guys are like, Mr. Penny, I know this. It's 5 and 5 and 1. That's 11. Or 5 plus 6 makes 11. Okay, way to go, you guys. Way to go. All right, try this guy. Let me see if I can. Okay, how many of you saw that 2 up top? The easy part, right? Okay, now let's think about the bottom part. Did you see a group of 5? I did. Did you see a 4? I don't know. Let's look again. There is. There's a 5 and a 4. Or 5 and a 4. So that makes it a 9. 9 plus 2 more makes... Oh, that's pretty hard to do sometimes, isn't it? Well, what if I did 9 plus 1 more? That would make 10. Plus 1 more would make 11. Okay. Way to go, you guys. I'm smiling because many of you have already seen that 9 on the top and the 2 now on the bottom. What is it that way? It's still 11. It doesn't matter which way you have those numbers. They could go this way, or even behind my head. It is still going to be 11 because 9 plus 2 makes 11, just like 5 plus 4 plus 2 makes 11 as well. Okay. All right, last one. Here you go. All right, so raise your hand if you saw a group of 5. Okay, what about any other groups? Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, this is an interesting one. Look, there's a group of 3 and a group of 3 and a group of 5. Well, I know that if I take one away from this group, that makes 5 right here. 3 plus 2. So 5 plus 5 is, got it, 10. Plus 1 more makes 11. You got it. Way to go, you guys. Kiss your brains. Now, I have a quick little challenge for you. Go into your math packet for this week. Week number 2, part 2. And instead of doing a 1 minute on sprint A, go to sprint B. Challenge accepted, people. All right, have some fun. Remember, only time yourself for a minute and then time yourself for another minute to see if you can beat your time. All right? And then I'll see you in the lesson.